Hi guys, Kurt here with EZ4x4. Today we're going to help you out with the doors and what to do with them when they come off the Jeep. We're going to start with this little contraption right here called the EZ Door Cart. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. We're going to pop off 2 cotter pins on either side to end up with this result right here, which is our door cart. Notice it has wheels, super easy to roll around. I'm going to share that with you guys in a second. This will turn into this, which is the door cart that holds all 4 doors. With this system, I can safely roll my doors around the hotel, into the elevator, and into my hotel room, which takes away the luggage cart use. So we're all good there. And you can see mobility-wise, it's got a lot of ergonomics. Here, come in here for a minute. We're doing a video. You can hop in. I want to show them how easy it is for a lady to roll it. Go roll that for me real quick across that parking lot. Look at her go, huh? There's a discount coming. I smell it from here. See how easy it is? Rolls around, fits in nice places, and when you're done, put the doors that aren't all scratched up now because you're on an EZ Door Cart from EZ4x4. We take the cart that's now empty, we fold it back up into travel size, and we head on back to the house for another adventure to be had another day. Thanks for visiting EZ4x4.net.